at the top layer of the ice sheet, which is called the firn, which is essentially compacted snow. It hasn't quite turned into solid ice yet, but we also were interested in the ice that's below that. What we find is that air gets older as we go deeper in the snow. And one of the ways that we can tell that is by looking at the CO2 concentration of the air that we pull up from different depths in the snow. We see that the CO2 concentration is decreasing with depth, which means that we're looking further back in time. In the compacted snow, we see that if we measure the air that's fairly near the surface in the snow, we get the same concentrations as we get in the atmosphere today. But if we go, say, 50 meters deeper, then we see significantly reduced CO2 concentrations. So because that air is older, this is evidence that CO2 has been rising in the atmosphere. So we're seeing the CO2 increase that is associated with human production of CO2. I love the science. I get very excited about the science, about reconstructing the atmospheric histories of all these gases, and really seeing how they have changed with time, what the natural changes may have been, what the human-induced changes may have been.